In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up invoicing in GoHighLevel, step-by-step tutorial. We'll walk through creating and sending a clean, professional invoice directly from your GoHighLevel dashboard. To begin, head to your main workspace and open the Payments area. This is where all billing tools live, including your invoices, products, and transaction history. If you've already connected a payment gateway, great! Your customers will be able to pay right from the invoice. If not, you can still follow along and set up the layout today, then enable payments later. Inside Payments, go to the Invoices section and look for the option to create something new. You'll see a button to add a new item. Click that to bring up your invoice options. Choose New Invoice, and GoHighLevel will open the invoice builder with a clear, structured layout so you can work from top to bottom without missing anything. Start by entering your customer information. Use the contact field to find an existing customer or type in their details so the name and email populate. If your organization uses business names or billing addresses, add those here to keep records tidy and make the invoice look polished. Accurate contact information ensures the invoice gets delivered and that payment receipts go to the right inbox. Next, configure your invoice settings. You'll notice the invoice number is typically generated for you, but you can customize it if you follow a specific numbering system. Set the issue date and choose a due date that matches your terms. Clear due dates reduce confusion and speed up payment. Add your line items, describe the product or service, include quantity and unit price, and apply tax if applicable. As you add items, the subtotal, tax, discounts, and final total will calculate automatically. Use the Notes or Terms area to clarify what's included, outline refund or late fee policies, or add a friendly thank you. You can also update branding elements like your business name so the invoice looks consistent with your other communications. Take a brief moment to double-check amounts, spelling, and the customer's email. When everything looks right, click Send. GoHighLevel packages your invoice into a professional message with a secure payment link. Your customer can pay online, and once they do, the payment status updates in your payments area so you can track what's outstanding and what's been settled. That's it. Your invoice is created, configured, and sent. Follow these same steps for each new client or project to keep your billing organized and your cash flow